Ooh, take a look at the monster question we got here. Check this out. Look, it says two functions are given. F of x and g of x are given to be this and this. But look what happens. I want you to evaluate something for me. I want you to tell me, what is this original x? Huh? Wait a second, wait a second. I don't understand. Well, work with something you do understand. This one you can figure out no problem. You know that's g of 1/2, right? So find me this first g of a half. Here's the equation right here. So let's find this one. G of 1/2. Okay, so that equals to 1 over x plus 1. We know that that replaces this x. So this becomes 1 over a half plus 1. Okay, now working with that common denominators, 1 over a half plus 2 over 2, right? Gives you 1 over 3 over 2. You know dividing means 1 divided by 3 over 2 is the same as saying 1 times the reciprocal, grade 7 fractions. That's 2/3. There's your value. Now you're going to take that 2/3 and guess what? You're now going to put it back in here. And now you're going to find g of 2/3. Oh, well, that's not so tough. Okay, that I can do. Same formula as before, 1 over x plus 1. Okay, that's going to equal to, let me just get rid of this for a second. Hold on. That's going to equal to, all right, 1 over 2/3 plus 1. Okay, keep going. So this is 1 over 2/3. Common denominator is 3/3. There we go. This is 1 over 5/3. Here it is, which is the same as saying 1 divided by 5/3. Grade 7 fractions tells us take the reciprocal and multiply. And look at that. We got 3/5. So g of 1/2, this guy, right? That equals to 3/5 right here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so what does that mean though? That 3/5 then, that can be replaced by 3 over 5. That equals to this. Ah, okay, so f of f of x, okay, equals to 3/5. Now, wait a second. How am I going to solve this? Well, you know what? Let's just figure this out. Let's figure out what that is. So if you think about this for a second, hold on. f of x. Well, what is f of x? Right? What is f of x? F of x going all the way back here. 1 over x. Oh, I can do that. That's no problem. Okay. All right. So this is the same as saying f of 1 over x. Perfect. Okay, well, there's nothing to do there. Now, that means to take this guy and substitute it back into f of x. So what was f of x? F of x is 1 over what you're going to substitute in. Well, there's what you're going to substitute in, 1 over x. Okay, so this is like saying 1 divided by 1 over x, grade 7 fractions, take the reciprocal and multiply, leaves you with x. What? This whole thing equals to x. Well, that means x equals to 3/5. Wow, what a cool question. I like this question. Wow, is that ever neat?